Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory with one stock. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. So I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty. So in this, it is not doing that leading diagonal what we expected in that previous. And yesterday I didn't done that pre-market, and I'm uploading today only because of my heavy rainfall and no power and no Wi-Fi. So that is why I'm uploading this in this morning. So this one is A, B and C is got completed. What we expected is 1, 2, 3, and later onwards I am expecting this further as a leading diagonal, but it is got invalid now, so it is still in the correction only as of now. So whether it is going to complete as a diagonal formation or it is going to be in a triangle or irregular flat, then only later only we come to a conclusion. So now here it's a what I expected is a one impulsive wave and one more three-way structures I expected, right? Like this I expected, or it could be an irregular flat formation, it can do like that. But here it is doing, or it is already completed that structure, because sometimes it looks like a five-way structure in that expanding leading diagonal of the C wave. Here it's looking like that. It's a B and C is completed, so that is why. And this took the channel support. This one is a trend line. It took a support, and it's exactly, it is in the zone, it bounced. So far it is looking like a three-way structure only. So now I am expecting such a kind of price action, whether it is going to be a three-way structure or it is going to be a five-way structures like this, and later onwards the three-way structure and bigger on five-way structure. So still it is already happening, the three-way structures. So this is my view for today. So, and this is the invalidation point so far for this pattern what we are expecting. So today I'm expecting, so this is A, B, C is a W, and this already is completed. Or one more possibility is whether it is going to be like this to break this low and this low. So then also if it didn't break this, that is still valid for WX. But if it's broke this low, then that will be a bigger fourth way is impact for the deeper correction what we expected in that 14,400 zone. So if it breaks like this, it will be like this kind of wave formation. So that after all I'm expecting this kind of irregular flat pattern only. But this correction is got completed here. This is acting as a connecting wave, and if you are in that downward means this seems like 1, 2, and this is also, it's looking like a three-way structure. So as I informed day before yesterday also, I'm not biased on this. I'm looking only for that bullish scenario. So this is my view for today. So I'm expecting only this kind of a bullish pattern. So let's wait and see, and tomorrow today we can come to a conclusion. So the next pre-market predictions for the Monday may be uploaded tomorrow or day after tomorrow on Sunday. So let's move on to the Nifty. The same here, just have a look here. This ABC is a ABC is a B. So this part is already completed. This part is also already completed, and if it didn't break, there is a lot of chances to break this low. As I informed that it's already did that. So now for this pattern, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this is looking like a also leading diagonal pattern, leading diagonal triangle. So later onwards one ABC is got completed, and we are expecting one more ABC to reach this 18,300 zone. So this is my bias, and I'm not biased on this below to break this low, the previous low. But this is a market, don't bias on my view. It can do always opposite to the analysis, to our analysis, not only my analysis, to our analysis. But let's wait for, I'm looking only for this, whether this is going to be end of the fourth wave, or it is going to be a little bit irregular flat, or it could be a running triangle. So still there is a lot of consolidation is going to happen, because it's in SGX Nifty it is looking like all the three-way structures only, but in Nifty it is doing like a 5-way structure is got completed, one 3-way structure is already completed. So it could be a B, and beyond that C wave. So today is a Friday, so there is a lot of profit booking may happen, or it could be volatile also. So what is the next one stock we are going to do is ITC. Long time I didn't done. So as I expected, and the 265 target got achieved in my previous analysis, exactly this one. You just go through all my pages, you can find out, and I already informed that the target of 265 is got achieved. So now 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed. So one, that 5-way structure is got completed, 1 3 and 5. So this is yeah, one 5-way pattern. So for this we need a 3-way structure. So this ITC want to do immediately. So I'm expecting the 3-way structures for the irregular flat pattern, sorry, or regular flat pattern, or it could be a zigzag also. So once if it is arriving this same zone of 220, what the previous major support zone here, again I will be in the buy side. So I already booked the profit in this 260, and I'm expecting the 3-way structure. So I already entered in this here is a 230. I already entered what I booked the profit, because for this because we are a trader and I am not an investor, so we have to wait for this pattern to complete. So what we expecting this, lot of times it won't happen like that, you know very well. So what it will do is, in the Manappuram Gold, I think you saw my analysis, right? If you are not seen my analysis, you just go for that. And here what it will do, it will go high. So this is also the impulsive, this is also an impulsive, and it will go like this kind of 3-way structure or impulsive, and later onwards it will do like this, and it will retest this one. Later on it will shoot like this. If you are expecting this regular flat pattern, it won't do. Lot of times it won't do. In equities I'm always looking for that kind of regular pattern, but it is not doing like that. It is doing only the irregular flat patterns. So 1 or A is already completed here, because I took it this as a, one second, I will show you my analysis. So this is the wave 1 and this is the wave 2. So we are in that wave 3. So the 1 is already completed in the diagonal pattern of leading diagonal. So after this second wave in the 3-way structure, whether it could be an irregular flat or it's a regular flat pattern, later onwards it will keep moving without any pullback for the third wave. So whether you can make it this as a or 1, this is a B or 2. So for the third wave, and it will be a very skyrocketing for coming days, but it will took more time, because this is a consolidation, means in this is a daily chart analysis. So it will took more than, see, look at this on February and it already August, so nearly 6 months it put it into that correction. So like that I'm not expecting, at least 2 months we can expect the correction. So it is already started on October. So for this year, whole the year, it will be a completion for the second wave, and the third wave will be the next in the new year. It may be a skyrocketing for this ITC. So everybody don't want to enter here, but only if it is moves like this and everybody got entered in that in middle of that, and we will be in that starting of the point. So this is my analysis in ITC. Hope you enjoyed, and have a nice, wonderful weekend to everybody. And I will upload for that Monday pre-market predictions for tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Have a lovely, wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye.